Hello from Myrtle Beach. Today we are at the Fun Warehouse. This is a great rainy day activity. It's a great family-friendly, kid-friendly activity, but there's a lot of fun for adults as well. We are currently in the arcade section, but they have all kinds of activities. They have go-karts, they have roller skating. Yes, roller skating. We will show you the rink, and then they have a bunch of other fun stuff to do. So let's check out the arcade first. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here, welcome. We cover everything in the Myrtle Beach area, so be sure to give this a like if you're enjoying it, and also subscribe so you won't miss anything new. We'll be covering all kinds of things in the Myrtle Beach area, and if you're looking for something, it's probably already on our channel, so definitely check that out. All kinds of fun games here, and also we saw a birthday party coming in, so if you have a kid that's having a party, they obviously have parties as well. They've got some coin pushers right over in that section, so all kinds of stuff. Let's move around over towards the skating rink and some of the other things. Oh yeah, and let's check out the prize area here. So if you're not familiar with where the Fun Warehouse is, it is not easy to see from the road. It is off of Dick Pond Road, also known as 544, Highway 544. And even though the address is Myrtle Beach, it is closer to Surfside Beach, so it's at the south end. As promised, here is the roller rink. Now, if you're wondering where all the people are, we got here right at 10 a.m. when they opened, so that's where all the people are. They are actually open till midnight tonight, so they have really long hours, but it's your classic full-size roller rink, so this is a lot of fun. We even got the disco ball in the middle. You really can't beat that. And then over here, we've got the sign up for the go-kart spectacular racing this way. So if you're interested in the go-karts, this is the area. Now, I will recommend you check their website for pricing because the pricing will vary over time. And if you watch this when it comes out, the price will be one thing, but if you watch it later, the pricing will change. But you can almost see, I'll zoom in a little, the go-kart track is right outside. Here they've got some type of VR fun. This looks like a lot of fun. I'll kind of come over here. It's called Holo Gate, I guess is the name of it. Yeah, Holo Gate. So that looks like a lot of fun. And then over here is where you rent your, or pick up your roller skates. And so again, we're right across from the roller rink. Now this brings back some old memories. It looks like some type of shuffleboard. They've got laser tag and inflatables right in that direction, and you do have to have like a wristband to go back there, but here are even more sort of arcade or claw style games over here. This looks fun. Out here we've got the go-karts, got the track. So I guess this is where you would come to actually get on the go-karts. And this sign over here tells us that the bowling, darts, and the bar is in this direction. Since there's a lot of employees standing over there, I'm not going to do an up close of the bar. I don't like to film people without their permission up close. But obviously a lot of places to sit. Definitely can get some snacks and that kind of thing here. So plenty of food to be had besides the vending machine. Still some people out there enjoying the roller rink. Here is the menu if you're interested in the pricing. Looks pretty reasonable. Definitely a lot of fun snacks and family food. They've also got a lot of ice cream and the popcorn. We both said it smells like a movie theater in here because they've got popcorn and ices, all the good treats. Good vibes only. So back here is the bowling alley and the bar. I don't know what time the bar is open. Like I said, it's 10 in the morning right now, but it does not look like it's open at this time, which makes sense. But it looks like a fully stocked, full-blown bar. You've got some places to sit and eat here, and then the bowling balls, and then the bowling alley. So this is a really nice setup. There's some pretty loud music here, so hopefully you can hear me over that. But really cool bowling alley. Really well maintained. Like just look at the seats and stuff. It's a really nicely maintained bowling alley. Over to the side of the bowling alley are the event and birthday rooms. It looks like there's 5 or 6 of them. They go all up and down this wall. Next to the bar, there is a pool table, and then also over here is where the darts are. It is a virtual type dart game. Here's an up close view of the crazy darts. Pretty neat. Let me know if this brings back memories for you. It does for Brian and I. And they even play music from, I mean, it's a mix. You know, they've got modern now, but they've been playing some sort of 70s and 80s, and I saw they have an 80s night. So let us know in the comments if that brings back memories for you. Here is the current pricing, but like I said, definitely check their website for details. Again, definitely double check this on their website, but here are some of their deals on certain days of the week. And they do have special events as well, so that's fun. If you'd like to learn more about Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.